All right, yesterday you learned about doubles from Brain Pop Jr. Today we're going to talk about doubles plus one. And this can be found on your pink paper of strategies. So pull that out and here we go. Doubles plus one. So if Miss Lawler gives you the problem, 3 plus 4 equals Moonul, then think of it like this. 3 plus 4 is near 3 plus 3. Oh, hold on. 3 plus 3. There we go. And we know that 3 plus 3 is 6. So all we have to do is add 1 to the double sum. So we would just do 6 plus 1 equals 7. And now we have figured out our answer. So let's try a different one. Let's say Miss Lawler gives you, let's do something hard. Let's do 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7 equals, so hard. Well, if you know your doubles and you know 6 plus 6 equals 12, then all we have to do is add 1 more to our double. 12 plus 1 equals 13. And poof! You have solved the really challenging problem. Good work, you guys. This might take some practice, so it might be good to do some practice problems.